Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We're joined here with Willie Pete today, and we have an unboxing video for you. I think you're so over your mustache.
Cookie duster.
Cookie duster. So we got an unboxing video for you today. So stay tuned. We're gonna get this thing open and see what we got. All right, so let's get this sucker open. So this was sent to me about 3 weeks ago from Aaron at Forsch. And I've been holding off. Somebody's gonna see you need to sharpen your knife. I've been holding off opening it just so I can have the opportunity to do this with Willie himself.
Love you too, buddy.
Okay. Packaged well, I could have used that. All right, let's start with the baffle kit. So if you guys watched a previous video of mine, at the time, the highest baffle level that you could get was a level 4. Actually, I think it was a level 3. That was back in 2021 when I bought the bike. Since then, level 4 and level 5, and he calls these angry levels, have been introduced. So I thought I would contact Forsch and order myself a set of angry level 5s. So that's it there. Once we get the 2s that I've got in the bike pulled out, we'll do a side-by-side comparison. There we go. So at the time when I bought my pipes, these end caps were not available. This is something that he's recently introduced. So he calls these the 420 end caps. And as far as I remember when talking to him, he calls them a 420 because they're 4.2 inches wide.
Ooh-wee.
Look at that on the side.
Munch.
Oh, he did it on both sides. Look at that.
The Forsch at the top.
Wow. That is bang on. Is that ever pretty? Now I know there's a lot of other companies out there in this segment. There's a lot of competition. But one thing I'll say, and when we go out to all the different bike meets and stuff that we go to, you hear stories, right? And one thing that I will say is that the customer service from Forsch is bar none the best that I've experienced. And I haven't heard any complaints from anybody else, and I absolutely have no complaints whatsoever. So we're gonna leave this here. We're gonna go for a quick scoot in the bikes. Willie's got his Street Glide with an M8 also. I've got the 2021 back there with the M8. Of course, you all probably know that. So we're gonna do a comparison of stock sound, angry level 2, then we'll come back, we'll throw in the 5s, throw the end caps on, and do a sound comparison with a level 5. Okay, so we found ourselves a nice open area here. We're gonna do a couple of runs with the bike here, get some sound tests. So right now, you can hear it idling. That's the angry level 2. So we're gonna kill this for a second. We're gonna fire up the stock bike here. You get it, let's kill that. Okay, we got the stock sound here. It still doesn't sound that bad.
No, go up there.
All right, give her a little crank. All right. So we got the bug in the air, get some flyby shots. Now we're gonna get on my bike. Willie's gonna drive it, I man the drone. All right, so we're back at Mikasa, and it's time to get the old ones off and in with the new. We'll start down here at the bottom. Ooh, she's still hot. now, what I'd like to do is get the slash cuts on, do a sound comparison with the Langley level 2 baffles and the slash cut end caps. Then we're going to pull these back off and remove the baffles. That was an easier fit.
Look a lot better too.
Okay, back out with these, and it's time to take out the baffle.
Did you notice any noise difference with just the tips?
A little bit.
Okay.
I wouldn't say it's quite night and day, but we will see. Oh my God, it's so much easier.
There you go. That was actually easier than I thought it would be.
There you go.
A little bit of wear and tear on them suckers.
About 25,000 K.
Here she comes.
All right. So if we look here, there's a slight difference. See here, we have the little indent here where we don't. There's a bit more of a flange, like a step, I guess you can say. So those again were Angry level 2s. These are the 5s. Time to put them back in. That wasn't a fart, that was my shoe squeaking in the grass.
You lie to your friends and I'll lie to mine. Let's not lie to each other.
This is the moment. Okay, so just went for a quick burn. I don't know what to say. How did it sound? Willie was behind me.
It's so much better, dude. I couldn't even hear my bike when we were going. It was awesome.
What a difference. So here's what I figured. At idle, sitting at a set of lights or something, letting it warm up, whatever, you're not going to find much of a difference between the 2s and the 5s. But as soon as you get her past maybe, I don't know, quarter throttle or so, does she ever wake up? So big, big, big difference. It sounds phenomenal. It's exactly the sound that I was looking for. Nice and respectable, so you're not pissing all those people off, right? But when you get into it and you want to hear it, do you ever? that's it. I had a great time making this video. Thank you guys all for watching. I love the product. I love the customer service. I have a great experience, or I've had a great experience with Forsch so far. And you guys should look into it. It's great stuff. Thanks for watching.